Hi, Scott here with 802 Outdoor Adventures. Back on the river today. We're in search of that elusive shiny yeller. Dylan's here right behind me. Robbie's over there. We won't get him on camera yet. He's in the middle of something. Justin's here today. We'll get him anyway. There he is. Justin's over there. Rick's over there panning his first bucket through the reaper. Nick's down over here. Nice crew today. It's going to be a good day. The weather's perfect. The river's perfect. Everything's perfect today. So all we need to do is find a little bit of gold. Cap the day off. Stay tuned. Hopefully we'll show you some gold. We got Nick running some material here, and we saw some gold.
Yeah, where'd it go?
Looks like a little tiny piece there, but you had a nice one in there.
Yeah, I don't know where it went. Hidden.
That's another one down a little farther.
Yeah, there is. Oh, there it is. It pokes itself back out.
Here we go. Stuck in the riffle right here. That's not bad. That's a nice little piece. Ariel's dancing around in there. Nice. Looks like she's flowing good. Then we come over here. Not so nice. I don't see anything in there yet. Have to keep an eye on those guys up there when they do a clean out. Justin, he's just hand panning over here.
Got into some of that red flesh.
All right. We'll see what he gets. He's digging over here with me, right, sort of up against the bedrock right there. This way a little bit. Whoa. Nice and murky for us. All right, we'll keep going.
You can have it if you want, Robbie. I don't care.
Dylan got a little piece of gold.
Oh, nice.
Diving down and just laying on the rock down there.
I told you I'd give you half a Robbie's gold if you get
Nice.
the rock out.
Nice little piece. Whoop, did I get the little sucker bottle in there?
Oh, yeah. Just got this little toy.
Yeah, I've got one of those. They seem to work really well.
Yeah, yesterday I pulled this off by accident underwater. I was laying on top of it. But I think the gold stayed in there.
I think. Who makes those?
I don't know. I bought it off Amazon.
Yeah.
Oh, Pioneer Mining
A
Supplies.
Pioneer, all right.
Yeah.
Pioneer Mining. Those are pretty handy little things.
Yeah.
Glorified turkey baster.
It's thick straw. Or whatever, wide.
Cool. Rick's over here doing a panning his clean out, so we're going to go stare in his pan for a minute.
Hopefully there's something in here. Look at those keep sneaking down there. Not looking very good. Whoa.
Oh, I thought I saw something.
What is that?
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there.
No, yeah, that looks nice.
Yeah, not bad.
Stick that back up in there. There's some little stuff coming up on the side.
Yeah.
That's the same one.
Yeah. Well, there's some gold in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, geez, that looked pretty good.
Saw that real quick. 3 or 4 pieces there. Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Rick's seeing some gold. Those guys are digging in this hole right here. Nick's hard at it. Justin's down there. It's been a while since Justin's been with us. Kind of a nice surprise to see him in the parking lot this morning. That gold I saw right there? Yeah, I think so. Second riffle. And the third. Sweet.
Some colors.
Robbie's seeing some gold. Alright, I'm going to go back to shoveling. I haven't shoveled enough yet to do a clean out, so. Little view downstream of where we are. Stay tuned. Yeah, kind of a cool looking shot down the river. The way the sun's coming in. Was a little tiny bit of fog, but I can see that's gone. It left before I could get it. Anyway, here's my take for that clean out. I don't know how many shovelfuls. That really wasn't a whole lot of material. I've been wandering around. We went metal detecting yesterday up on the top of a mountain and took a lot out of me. At some point I'll throw that video together. Not that there's much to show, but it's been an adventure searching. Anyway, we'll be back. We'll keep up with these boys' cleanouts here. I can see Robbie working the pan, so I may wander up there and see how he's doing. Stay tuned. Robbie's pan. A little piece right there. Stick my finger in his face so he can't see. What I do.
I should pan this down more.
Yeah, I came over and
Put me on the
like,
spot.
where's your gold?
There's some up there. Let's see. Come on. There it is.
Yes. Way better than what I'm seeing. Nick's got a couple of little pieces in his riffles too down there, but I haven't seen anything chunked yet. Alright, well, I'll let you.
Sorry.
Clean out number 2. Got myself a lead nugget, but not a lot of gold. Oh well. We'll keep going. Lazy day. Nice day.
Starting to realize why Heek is running the pan.
Yeah.
Heek's fucking good.
Alright, stay tuned. We'll keep going. Ran out of steam for digging, and that was about 1/3 of a pan of just bedrock material. I just moved some rocks and scraped the dirt into my pan. Not bad. We're gonna go back to that little spot and maybe try to get the rest of the dirt out of that crack. See if there's anything more in there. Alright, we'll look over Nick's shoulder. He did a clean out.
there.
Oh, yeah.
One there falling down. There's one
Oh, there's another one up top.
there. Oh, yeah, a few of
Oh,
them.
there's a few, yeah. Oh, look at it all. Chunky.
Yeah,
That's
there's
a
another.
little chunker right there.
Yeah, it's got the mercury on it. Oh, 2 pieces of mercury on these ones.
Oh, man.
2 mercury.
Great. Can't get away from that stuff here.
Mm-mm.
There's some nice pieces in there.
Oh yeah, there's another one.
Yep.
That was that one that I thought I lost. That one.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Nice.
Awesome.
Dylan's over here checking out a spot I found. Nice little, pulled out a little piece of bedrock right there, and I can't get to it, so hopefully I'll find some stuff in there.
Oh, that's cool. Look at this little bucket.
Look at this.
Yeah, what is that?
It's like
magnetite or something?
magnetite, but it's
Yeah.
it's almost like a cube or a diamond.
Oh yeah. Garnet.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm getting ready to leave, so we'll check in here. Yeah.
No clue.
One and done in here?
Second one I had a piece. Not as big. Good pan. No clue. Too much black seal. Lots of black seal.
Well, that's a bummer.
Getting there.
Well, we'll walk up river and see what Rick's doing.